when we were having lunch. I'm nervous when I meet people and I don't know their auntie and their mom and their sister and brother because I don't know anything about them. But would you like us to tell us who John is?
Yeah, you could.
Okay. I'm excited. And I always tell people when I would see him on TV, I'm like, oh, I grew up with him. John is his brother, who the whole world knows is John Starks.
Yeah.
You know? And I knew him as John T. And as I told you the other day, when he first started playing basketball, and my mother was like, child, I'm going to watch the game. John Starks is playing on the game. And I'm like, who's John Starks? Yeah. You know, and she's like, child, you know who John? She said, John T, fool. Yeah. So we grew up together for real. I didn't know his real name was John Starks. Right. I knew him as John T. You know, and like I was telling your other brother's name, I didn't know their real names. We only knew about each other's nicknames. But that's who he's referring to when he said his brother John Starks, had hired a professional architectural landscaping company to do the work, but they weren't as professional